Over the past 100 years, the technology has grown exponentially. The way of our communication has drastically changed. Today, technology makes us think about how to prepare society for the changing lifestyle. The communication is dynamic in the virtual world. People use social network, app, blog, or website to express themselves easily. And we become more open and less concerned behind these invisible internet barriers. In this age, the information shifts from private to transparent. Our relationship shifts from connecting to disconnecting. The life pace shifts from slow to fast. In front of our screen, everything thinks fast as the speed of light, and the dimension of the time scale into zero. The time needed for a long journey abroad to meet somebody can be taken away by a single mouse click. Text messages have replaced the love letters in the mailbox. The face-to-face interaction has been replaced by FaceTime and Skype. Nowadays, people tend to kill empty moments as if every second have to be filled with relevant information. But why is everything in our world supposed to be faster, quicker, and instant? There is a sort of revolutionary idea of the slow movement. You might have more time to enjoy a meal with your family, or have the time to rethink priority of your work and make a best decision. Even appreciate every little moment that you always overlook in your life. So, how do we define slowness? The way slowness is defined doesn't refer to the time that we spend. Rather, it describes an expanded state of awareness, accountability for daily action, and the potential for a richer spectrum of experience for individuals and communities. When it's referred to slow design, it's explained as a vital and peculiar form of creative activism to generate a new set of qualities, value, and practice of design. I have applied this concept into my project, and it's about the slow interaction for the reflection. What if we can make design where time is inescapable and we can engage in the mindful rather than mindless? The time extension of a slow message challenges people to do more aware of the message composition while communicating with one another. As people looking for a richer meaning behind words, this having time to do something means investing it with significance through attention and deliberation and bring more creative rhythm to the conversation. Another key concept in my project is the tangible design beyond function. By lacking of the body language and real touching, the tangible user interface design put emphasis on experience design through the process interaction to evoke the user's emotion. So the interaction not only concerns tedious tasks such as one click on a button or touching on the screen. Proactive interaction process consider higher experiential value beyond the usability and functionality. The metaphors of poetic can always refer to play, effect, evocations, and pleasures. In my project, through the complex actions such as picking the character, spelling the word, or decoding the sound, I would like to revisit the experience of anticipation and uncertainty into my design. I might say it's very much an experiment in design as a way to answer some perplexing questions about the relationship we maintain through all this peculiar and compelling message system. In addition, provide less distracting solutions that enhance the experience of communication with family and lovers. The disobedient stone is a playful and poetic interface which changes the color message into sound. Each color on the stone represents a different character and sound, forming a message through a different composition. Instead of touching the icon on your smart device, User can send a message through the symbolic gesture and tangible action. The process of decoding the message brings more emotional contact back to the technology that we use nowadays, demonstrating the possibility of the physical experience achieved by the tangible interface. There will be a path for some sense of calm, pleasures, and enjoyment of having time to expect and spending reflecting on the communication from a friend or lover. The end of my project is challenging and renewing our daily relationship with the digital device. It's a project that recognizes, magnifies, and comments on the negative impact of the smart technology. There are 3 functions that define in my project. First is interaction, presence, effect. And next video will demonstrate the user scenario. Show the prototype making process. I attempted to create the feeling of a friendly, approachable, and interesting interface for the technology device. The ceramic and wood give the different visual and texture experience of digital device. In addition, ceramic consistent with the metaphor of the stone communication, which design language based on the history of communication. This project based on the interactive design, and Arduino is the simplest open source for the designer to achieve the idea. After all, I think more digital product and technology can be subversive, disrupting, fun, and poetic.